Hi there, my name is Sammy Belcher, and in this video I will be explaining the citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle or the second cycle in cellular respiration. The citric acid cycle catalyzes the complete oxidization of the carbon atoms in acetyl coenzyme A. The reaction of acetyl coenzyme A with oxaloacetate starts the cycle by producing citrate or citric acid. Each turn of the cycle produces 2 molecules of carbon dioxide as waste products, 3 molecules of NADH, 1 molecule of GTP, and 1 molecule of FADH2. The first reaction in the citric acid cycle is called citrate synthase because it is the production of citrate. So acetyl coenzyme A that starts out merging into the mitochondria combines with oxaloacetate, and it's hydrolyzed by water, and it produces citrate and coenzyme A. To make this reaction a little bit easier to understand, I will be explaining it with the use of different candies. So the blue Sour Patch Kid right here represents the acetyl coenzyme A. This Mike and Ike represents the oxaloacetate, and they combine together and are hydrolyzed by water. They produce the citrate and coenzyme A by themselves. In the second reaction, citrate is catalyzed by isonatase producing isocitrate, and a water molecule is removed and then replaced in another location with the help of the isonatase as well. For this reaction, the green M&M represents citrate from the reaction before. Here's the water molecule that's removed and then replaced in another area to produce the isocitrate. In the third reaction, isocitrate dehydrogenase catalyzes the oxidation of the OH group to yield an intermediate that then yields a carbon dioxide molecule and alpha ketoglutarate. In my model, the red Sour Patch Kid represents the isocitrate from the reaction before, and that's combined with an NAD molecule, which is later converted to NADH in the intermediate that is created in between. And so this reaction eventually yields an alpha ketoglutarate molecule and a carbon dioxide molecule. In the fourth reaction, the addition of NAD and coenzyme A, the ketoglutarate dehydrogenase produces succinyl coenzyme A, NADH, CO2, and 1 hydrogen molecule as its product. In my model, the alpha ketoglutarate is shown right here, and that's combined with the NAD molecule and the coenzyme A molecule, which then produces the succinyl coenzyme A, an NADH molecule, a carbon dioxide molecule, and 1 hydrogen molecule. In the fifth reaction, GDP or guanosine diphosphate and a free phosphate group join to attack the succinyl coenzyme A to produce an independent coenzyme A and succinate. A GTP molecule is also synthesized in the process. And so in the model, the orange gummy worm represents the succinyl coenzyme A. The blue Skittle represents the GDP molecule, and this is the free phosphate group. They all combine together to produce a succinate molecule, GTP, and an independent coenzyme A. In the next reaction, succinate dehydrogenase catalyzes the removal of 2 hydrogen ions from succinate with the help of FAD. So it yields a fumarate molecule as well as an FADH, which is the reduced version of FAD. So now in the model, to represent this reaction, the green gummy worm will represent the succinate as produced from the last reaction. The red M&M is used to represent the FAD molecule, which then produces fumarate and an FADH molecule. Fumarase then catalyzes the addition of a water molecule, yielding L-malate from the combination of fumarate and a water molecule. So now in the model, we will be stealing this fumarate molecule that was produced in the last reaction, combine this with a water molecule to yield L-malate. So in the last reaction of the citric acid cycle, oxaloacetate is regenerated by the oxidization of L-malate with the help of an NAD molecule. The NAD molecule is then reduced to NaHG once again, and the cycle starts all over again. Also, as a result of the citric acid cycle, we have 2 molecules of carbon dioxide produced, 3 molecules of NADH, 1 molecule of FADH2, and 1 molecule of GTP. So this is actually the finished model of the citric acid cycle. in candy form. I hope that it made it a little bit easier with the explanation of candies and going step by step. And I also wanted to thank you for watching and hope that you have a great day.